Hi dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is very important topic for the students or aspirants of international relations or job seekers. Today's topic is general knowledge of the world. Number 1. The world describes the shape of Earth is oblate sphere. When cream is separated from the milk, the density of milk increases. Aksai Chin area is disputed area between China and India in Himalayan range. A solstice is a moment in the year when the sun's apparent path is farthest north or south from Earth's equator. There are two solstices each year, one in December and one in June. The word solstice comes from Latin word sol meaning sun and sisteri meaning to stand still. Official language of North Atlantic Treaty Organization are English and French. JAXA, JAXA is a space agency of Japan. CNSA is China National Space Administration. Chinese Guozhou Hangzhou, Chinese government organization founded in 1993 to manage national space activities. Number 8. The Roscosmos State Corporation for Space Activities, commonly known as Roscosmos, is a state corporation of the Russian Federation responsible for space flights, cosmonauts programs and aerospace research. National Center for Space Studies. The center nationally recruits specialists. CNES, National Center for Space Studies, is the French government space agency. Number 10. NASA, NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration of United States of America. RFSA, Russian Federation Space Agency. ESA, European Space Agency. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. CNSA, China National Space Administration. What is nickname of IBM? Big Blue is nickname used since 1980s for the International Business Machine Corporation or IBM. Antarctica is situated in the southern hemisphere. Mirani Dam is built on the Dasht River in central Makran range in Kanch district in Balochistan of Pakistan. Delhi Sultanate was established by Qutbuddin Aibak, who founded Delhi Sultanate in 1206 AD under the Mamluk dynasty. This Delhi Sultanate, which lasted until 1526, is known as period of cultural intermixing. The Delhi Sultanate was an Islamic empire based in Delhi that stretched over large parts of the Indian subcontinent for 320 years. There were 5 dynasties ruled over the Delhi Sultanate subsequently. Number 1, the Mamluk dynasty, the Khalji dynasty, the Tughlaq dynasty, the Sayyid dynasty, and the last Lodi dynasty. The complete Buddhist monastery in Pakistan was in Kuwait and Hangu. The Buddhist reign of Takht Bahi and neighboring city remains at Shahr-e-Bahlul are one of the most imposing relics of the Buddhism in Gandhara region of Pakistan. Chachnama is a book, was originally written in Persian, addressed to the audience of 13th century Sindh. Chachnama has been traditionally read as the oldest history of Sindh province of Pakistan. Written in 13th century, the text called itself a translation of historical account of the events that occurred in 8th century. Ali Kufi dedicates the text to the governor of Multan, Nasiruddin Kapacha. The radiant energy of the sun is transmitted in the form of solar energy, enters our atmosphere as short-wave radiation in the form of ultraviolet rays, the one that give us sunburn, and visible light. The sun emits short-wave radiation because it is extremely hot and has a lot of energy to go off. 22. A greenish yellow color is seen on a boiled egg is due to the formation of some iron compounds. Which country has inaugurated Southeast Asia's largest solar power farm? That is Vietnam in Southeast Asia. Now, what are the Baltic states? Number 1, Lithuania, and its capital is Vilnius. Its currency is Litas. Number 2, Latvia. Its capital is Riga, and its also currency is Litas. Number 3, Estonia. Its capital is Tallinn, and its currency is Korun. Nordic countries. Number 1, Iceland, and its capital is Reykjavik. Number 2, Norway, and its capital is Oslo. Number 3, Sweden, and its capital is Stockholm. Number 4, Finland, and its capital is Helsinki. These are also called Scandinavian countries. Number 25, Cyprus, disputed between Turkey and Greece. Cyprus is divided into Turkish Cypriot and Greek Cypriot. What is uncodified constitution? An uncodified constitution is a type of constitution where the fundamental rules often take the form of customs, usage, precedents, and a variety of statutes and legal instruments. An understanding of the Constitution is obtained through reading, commentary by the judiciary, government committees, or legal experts. Gaddani Beach is located in Balochistan, Pakistan. Shahnamah-e-Islam was written by Hafiz Jalandhari. Digestion of food is completed in small intestine. The middle part of small intestine is called jejunum. The jejunum, what is the function of jejunum? Jejunum absorbs most of the nutrients that are carbohydrates, fats, minerals, proteins, and vitamins. The lowest part of small intestine is ileum. This is where the final parts of digestive absorption takes place. Former United States Vice President Al Gore has won Nobel Peace Prize 2007 for his campaign against global warming. Wish you good luck. See you in next lecture. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.